My bit, I do have to take both my shoes and socks off. I want to apologize in advance for that. Woo! If you need to leave the room, please feel free. Please feel free. This is my saxophone. It used to belong to my aunt. She played the same saxophone in high school. And then I played it in high school. And that was a really formative experience for me, the first time I met real lesbians. Obviously that had an impact. Great. Okay, saxophone just takes a second to put together. But now it's pretty much done. Just bought these socks. They are Adidas.
Yeah, I love those socks.
Woo!
I have those.
They're good to dance in. Do you feel that way? Okay, so this is a regular combination lock. Thank you. This is a regular combination lock, no funny business. I'm going to unlock it with my feet while playing a saxophone with my hands and mouth. Damn it. First attempt did not succeed. That's okay. Earlier, yeah, it took me 3 tries. Wait. Oh my gosh, it did unlock.
Whoa!
But I will play you just a little bit of the song. Sorry if that took a little longer.
It did not. Give it up for Mackenzie.